Okay, so day one, we landed. What do we do?
You fished and complained.
Oh, I didn't.
She cried like a little pussy. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. And then she refused to take any advice on how to get into the hotel.
You know what? You could do this. Here. We'll fit it when there's light. You can do this perfectly. Go ahead. Okay. Blake is going to give you a breakdown of day one.
We went on the airplane. And Jordan was wrong that we needed jackets because it was hot as balls.
Not until later in the flight, after we had already been there for 5 hours.
And then we landed. And we walked out. And we got our
Packages, like we got Amazon.
we had luggage. And then we went to the hotel. Well, we went to get food, which was a good place. Jordan chose a good place to eat.
I chose a bomb place to eat.
She just chose something that was like...
broke the mouth grinds.
Yeah, it was far from home. It was the opposite direction of the hotel.
It was
So
still
we went
delicious.
there.
We got pulled pork.
Yeah, and then we came back and
And
we got to the hotel.
fukaki chicken.
She
We didn't get dessert because it would have melted by the time Blake got us here.
she was navigating, which was a fucking disaster.
No, it wasn't. Not until we got to the hotel. And it's not my fault. It's Hilton's fault because they created a village of hotels and you need a tram to get to each hotel.
Weird. It's called Hilton Village.
You didn't know either, so shut up.
Well, it took one Google fucking Maps view and go, oh, well, I guess we have to park over
Okay,
here.
well, I still had to tell you where to go.
Yeah.
Then Blake was a horrible navigator and he really wanted some water. So we went all
To
the
the
way.
only store that was open.
We went all the way to the hotel that's on the far side of our hotel. And then as we were walking back for 1,000,000 miles, we see an open mini mart underneath of our hotel. Because Blake doesn't know how to navigate.
The bonus is that we got to see the whole hotel, and there's a lot of cool stuff. You know what I mean?
This is him coping.
Not all of us can appreciate.
This is Blake coping.
Hawaii. Some of us just want to sit in the hotel room.
Great. We walked down the museum walkway all the way back to our hotel.
We could have rode the tram, and it would have taken twice as long.
Okay, you're not wrong. So today is day 2. Thank you. This is the fit. Damn. Damn.
Damn. Look at those shoes.
No.
Damn.
You're not nice. We're gonna, first thing we're gonna
Later,
do.
bitches.
No, first thing we're gonna do is go and get coffee because we're still in Arizona time. So it's 5 a.m. here. Well, it was 5 a.m. here.
It's 6 o'clock.
But it's 8 a.m. back in Arizona. So, well, now it's 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. in Arizona. We're gonna go get coffee.
Math.
We could.
This is our village.
Why do you have to talk?
I ruin everything with my voice.
Shut up. See, listen to the birds. I wonder if we'll ever see Hawaii in the daytime.
Yeah, probably not. Hey. And the elephant bird too. Oh, that's wrong.
Cute. What does? Oh. Even though it's dark as fuck. Luau. Oh, this is where we're gonna go for the luau.
Is it?
This one says luau. What's... Well, he has something.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it's a beetle.
Get it.
Or something.
Get it, bird. Yeah, I'm just wondering what this is. There's a pool.
Ooh, this looks nice. This is where everyone was going. Oh, with the cave. Babe, we have to come here sometime.
Oh,
Like tonight.
They're pumping water in there.
Can we go there tonight?
We can, okay. I don't know where the pool is.
When we say it's open.
You want to go across the bridge?
I want to go in that cave. Oh! Oh, this is the marketplace. Oh, Kona Pool Welcome Desk. Okay. Yeah, dude, this is where everyone was going last night. Everyone was putting on swimsuits when we got here, and they were taking the tram. Oh, don't interrupt their selfie.
Video? Yeah.
Look at the water hitting the rocks out there.
Oh, wow.
It's like a real beach.
It is a real beach. You fucking idiot.
I fucking hate you, bro.
It's like those rocks are real, but they're not.
See, like, this is what they do with some of that lava rock. They're like, well, we have a lot of it, so.
Yeah, but they had to dig a bunch out to build this shit.
Hold on, wait for him to come through, and then let's go. Oh my, babe. There's a slide. Did you see that?
Yeah.
There's a slide that comes down around.
Oh, wow.
Woo! Sketch City, bitch. Sketch.
Dude, if I fall in the water, you know that technically
don't start doing the side-by-side thing. Don't do the side-by-side thing.
not
Don't do the side-to-side thing.
Jordan, you're making me. I'm not trying to.
Yes, you are.
I'm not. It's just how I'm just walking.
Yes, you are. You're walking and then I'm walking. You're walking and I'm walking. Stop doing that.
It's just how you walk, you know?
Dude, that's like the thing that they have before the zip line, and I'm kind of, oh my god. There's a baby on a fish.
It's like a Buddha baby.
Someone put a lay on it. Buddha baby. Which way? That way?
Yeah, let's go this way.
Are you sure?
What's it all about?
I feel like I'm still on the bridge. Give me a second. What are these? This is where the... Babe, that's awkward as fuck.
Dude, you're closed in. What are you talking about?
Oh, are you?
I'm sure that...
Oh, and then it opens out that way. That's actually sick. Babe, what are these? These cuts.
I don't know.
You think so?
Yeah,
Actually, it looks like there are massage tables in there. Dude, that's what I want to do. Open. No, what is this? This isn't seaside, babe. This is the fucking. This is the.
The dining?
Okay, stop for a second. I'm running up. Oh my god, we have to do this.
5 to 9?
5 to 9 reservations recommended. We need to come here. This would be amazing at night. Ooh. Let's go.
They got the Monica deal.
Yeah? The menorah? There's doggies?
Yeah. Hi.
Like a little video.
Here's a chicken.
Okay.
Can I go around
Excuse me,
you?
little
Can I go
chickie.
around you?
That's a bunch of kids, goddamn.
That's what I thought. Well, it's like small though. Like how much people could actually be here?
Oh, and it's like a small zoo.
Yeah.
It's not like a big old giant thing.
So we're gonna go.
Oh, there's a bathroom. Hi,
Live to 60
boy.
to 100 years.
He's.
And he's got other birds in there with him.
Does he?
Yeah. See, we didn't even need a fucking rain jacket. I'd be hot right
Yeah,
now.
I'm good without an umbrella or a jacket. I'm not really. I like the rain. I'm not really like picky about being rained on.
Yeah, rain isn't too bad, especially like in this.
Oh yeah. Well, especially in this weather. Like if we were in Washington, it was like freezing balls. I'd be pretty upset because I don't like being cold and wet. So did we go that way then?
Yeah, but you're kind of a grumpy bitch.
Oh, I love these. They almost look fake. I don't want to touch it because I feel like you're not supposed to like
Touch it?
touch like the vegetation and fuck with it.
50 to 1,100 pounds.
Are donkeys happy here, do you
There are
think?
donkeys they have donkeys everywhere, man.
Yeah, but do you
Like
think
donkeys, I feel like live in like all different conditions.
they're from Africa? So do you think they're happy in the rainforest?
Yeah, that's
Hi, buddy. Can't
he's
really
got
see
some
him.
bugs on his face.
Oh, does he?
He's
I
yelling
wonder
at
what
those
he's
bugs.
yelling for.
He's yelling at the bugs that are flying in his face.
Or he's lonely because he's in this tiny ass fucking cage instead of free. Those are so pretty. I love that.
That's pretty cool.
I wish they had a sign. I don't know what they are. Pink puffers.
Pink puffers.
We're gonna puff for breakfast and we're gonna puff in the afternoon. Puffing all over this island.
See, look at there's two of them. I mean, look at this one. He's looking at that emu.
Dude, the
like,
focus is like shit.
The emu's like, dude, I will fucking. Well, on a video maybe.
Yeah, the focus is shit.
Pictures are like rippers.
Cool!
He's chilling.
I don't know which way to look because it's like, hey, dude! How long do iguanas live for?
It says on there.
I feel like iguanas.
20 years.
I feel like iguanas live for a really long time. Hi, buddy. You look sketched out.
I need a grip on it for sure.
There he is. They're eating.
Only one?
No, there's two. There was one that was up there.
Swinging?
Yeah, he might have moved.
Let's see.
You see him?
I'm sure.
Yeah, I'll see.
Look at that long
Dude, I want
neck.
one of these in my backyard.
I think that they promote you having tortoises and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you're embarrassed. It's okay. He's got a oh! He's got a baseball bat. He's like, I'm breaking out of this motherfucker. Look at. He doesn't like that. He does not like that. Bells. Dude, he wants out. Yeah. I feel like I'm watching like a mental breakdown. Hi, buddy. I was gonna say, I've never seen a monkey pick up a bat before. He's fucking rowdy right now. What does it mean when they like bare their teeth like that the whole time? Oh! Dude, he's mad. The car went by and he went, ah!
Yeah.
And then he started banging the fucking bat.
He's like, these classifieds are bullshit. I am upside down.
I wonder why they move so slowly though. I wonder if it's like some kind of like limitation with their body or something. Right?
It could be.
Babe. It's a bleeding heart dove.
A what?
A bleeding heart dove. It has like a big red mark on its chest. It looks like it's been like
Oh, it looks
shot.
like it was on the sunset.
Yeah, look at each other. Everyone's cleaning.
The animals are always cleaning.
I feel like you don't usually see this much cleaning though. Like when
They
you
always are cleaning. What else can they do? They can't fly around.
see, I feel like the monkeys should be like out in the open, not like secluded. I don't know. Sure.
Oh yeah, he's out here vulturing.
Hi, buddy.
He's a hog.
He's cool. Hi, dude.
One-on-one, huh? The one right here. Oh, you know what this one looks like? This
So
one looks like the one
small.
from what's it called? What's that lizard? Movie.
Jurassic Park. Oh, dude, these ones freak me out. These are the ones I don't like.
Blue tongue.
They look like slippery. Fucking, they look like snakes. Stick your tongue out. Bloop. Bloop. Dude, they've got to be in like fright.
You guys all there.
Are there more? Look at this guy, he's so cool. Almost. You are just so cute. You're doing such a good job.
She goes, let me out, bitch.
You're doing such a good job. I feel bad.
Here's a turtle.
Whoa.
He's a big guy.
Hey, buddy. Poison frogs, yes. Oh, little dirt frogs.
Frogs are weird.
Dude, these guys are so... frogs are way cooler than lizards, in my opinion. Dude, these guys are cool.
Oh.
The poisonous frogs are the most brightly colored ones. So pretty. Babe, a bumblebee. They're everywhere. Bumblebee dart frogs.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Dude, look at that one.
This one's up on the roof. Look at him.
That one's eating stuff. He's like, bloop, bloop. Look at them jump around.
They're all going like, they're all like moving their... They're trying talking.
Look at this guy.
Like, let's kill this dumb bitch.
Oh, these are the... this is the one I wanted to see. Hi.
Oh, yeah, that's weird looking.
Isn't that cool? Those
That
like
sounds like a
aliens.
spider, yeah.
Bonkers. Yeah, toads and frogs are cool.
But you saw the toad? Yeah, we have Mr. Toad. I knew you liked frogs because Mr. Toad.
Yeah, toads
I
are
mean,
cool.
It freaks me out because like I don't
Oh,
want
hi,
dogs,
one's a
but...
lizard. No, yeah, I don't want...
Oh, look it.
It's an alligator lizard. Dude, these guys are descendants of dinosaurs for
50
sure.
years.
It's hard because you can see your reflections, but... I want to see this iguana. Oh, let's look at the alligator. Dude, he does not look...
He's big.
He's eyeing us, like,
It's okay.
100%. I don't want to, like...
This guy's tail up, but look, he's like, oh.
Yeah, I don't like making them, like,
Uncomfortable?
defensive. I don't know.
He's probably just hungry.
Not too, maybe.
Oh, yay. That's a big one.
Oh, I want to see this guy.
Are they tortoises?
Yeah.
Oh, they're little ones. There's a box turtle.
Hi, little
box
guy.
turtle, and a tortoise.
Hello, guy.
This guy's
And then
like
there's
the-
more on that side, but can we go over here?
Yeah, we could just look.
He was swimming.
Swim to right here, maybe?
Yeah, he's swimming back this way. Dude, they're underwater. Chickens. Look at all those chickens. Babe, why did the chicken cross the road?
To get to the other side.
Turd.
Well, it's already
This is like $30. Valid for 7 days?
Oh.
Oh, shit. That's
come
actually
back.
sweet.
Yeah, so we can come back.
Yeah, actually.
That's perfect. So that way, if we decide we want to come back.
This is so good. Like, it just looks so good. Oh. It's a fellow Jeeper. Ah! It's a windy road.
You gotta go like this. To every Jeep. That's what Jeepers do. You're so fucking tired.
Oh, you can't see
Yeah, I
this.
fucked up. I
It's
should
hard.
have just turned.
I should have.
We good? After this car, yes, and then we're
I
good.
think so. Malasadas. Let's keep going.
Yeah, we got ways.
Deep fried goodness. Honor?
Yeah, we'll go snack bar. What'd you say? What'd you say?
What do you want me to do yours?
She just said it. We're in the gangster shit.
Oops. Yeah, we don't need the wipers.
Yeah, a little bit.
Wipers, no wiping. God damn it.
Fucking wiper.
So funny.
What?
Probably hear us in there. Oh, I wish we would have gotten my chest thing. You're so big. You put your hat on the outside?
Did someone left their fucking water out here? What is that?
You look like a tourist. I was gonna say. Oh, God damn it.
Take a picture.
I took a video. Okay, moving on.
They're called. How are they called now? They're from Brazil, apparently.
Cool.
I don't know how they made it all the way the fuck over here.
These are cool.
Ooh, look at these are.
Yeah, that's the same thing.
Piñanga
There's a
palms.
bunch of them.
Piñanga palms.
Don't touch it. The video evidence of you touching
And
it.
it turns rotten, like your heart.
Look at the bamboo.
Yeah. Maybe they have
Bamba?
little pandas running here to eat it.
Bamba.
Oh. Little something, something. Little rushy rush.
You look thrilled.
That little rain hut.
We should have grabbed that water that they left too. Fuckers. Cleaning up Hawaii, Hawaii, Hawaii.
Bug.
Oh! Oh, there's. Ooh!
Grand.
Those are cool. Eat the berry, babe. See what happens. Oh my god, it smells so good. Yeah, bromelade. Bye. Oh, it smells so good.
Come back here on the way back.
No. Oh, it smells so yummy.
Oh, is that actually a well? Oh, it's a little wishing well.
Cute.
You throw a coin in there. Oh. I don't think we're going to that.
I hear music.
Except for a fucking little workshop.
Look at it. These are those pokies. How come they never have signs for the pokies, dude? I want to know what they are. This is it. This is the Anthurium corner that you wanted to go down.
Can we go over there? Because that's just dead end.
This is too, babe.
Yeah, but look at, we get a good view of the ocean.
Okay, Bonnie, what's up?
Oh, there's still a weasel.
Oh,
Look at that.
no.
A mongoose, he just went down
I know,
there.
he went over there.
No, he went over there. Watch him.
Okay, there's another one that went over
Oh,
here.
he's right there. Look at him.
Where?
Look at him.
Where?
Oh, he just right
No,
there.
hi, buddy.
Little goosey.
It's okay, I'm not gonna hurt you. We'll ignore you. Wow.
Can you see it?
Kind of. Yeah, it's just so weird.
Dude, it's
Like-
crazy. Like how half the island is like ugly as dick.
Yeah, it's so weird. I can't like, dude, see, like we're getting into it. And
I know,
lit.
we could get in here and rent it out.
Oh, there's stairs that you can just walk down into the water.
So there's another side.
Oh.
Cool. Oh, it's a video.
The tiger. Man. Dude, I love the bunny. Horse Jackman.
8 to 10 p.m.
For what?